and welcome to Renovation Updates Week 6. First things first, house number. I lovingly made this. I watched something on Pinterest to tell me how to make this, and it took about a day of work, so it was a bit of a labour of love, but it's up and it's on, and I think it looks alright. I think it goes nicely, and when the door is sprayed and black, hopefully it will all work very nicely together. We have got rid of everything from the front garden, well, pretty much. Don't mind the toilet, that's I'll just stand in the middle of that. The skip came on Monday, so Levi and I spent the day moving everything into the skip, so we have got some space in the front garden, which is good, and almost all of our rubble is gone, so that's great. So come on in. Exciting things in here. But plaster has been done in the kitchen. We've also got the boiler on the wall. Let me just tell you what happened with the plaster this week. The plaster that we originally got did not work. So we had a slightly stressful Monday morning because the builder took some plaster home with him over the weekend to see if he could mix some things with it, make it work, because it just was not setting. And over the weekend it still wouldn't set, so on Monday we had to, well, the builder drove north of Huddersfield to go and pick up some new bags of plaster that were very expensive, but it works, so that's the main thing. So we just have to swallow that. I've taken the old bags of plaster back that don't work, so plaster is on. This situation, the lead pipes, so the lead pipe in the kitchen has now been replaced because we had several water explosions where some people who will not be named that were on site were slightly heavy-handed with the taps, and it fractured the lead pipe, and we had water explosions everywhere. So they have dug under the ground, taken out the lead pipe from the kitchen to put in a plastic pipe and stopcock so that we won't have any more explosions. No lead pipes now. The French doors are being fitted on Tuesday, so next week we will have a back door, which is very good. The builder has put the compo on the chimney breast ready for the plaster, so that can be skimmed. So this is the wine rack, Indian paving slabs. So I'm just going to have a wine rack here basically. So I'm very excited. And this is all going to get skimmed and plastered and look nice. So we've got a bit more space in here now. This is for the plaster to grab to, I've been told. So this is all going to get skimmed this week at some point. So then we'll have a nicely plastered chimney breast, and then hopefully we can get most of this stuff out of here and we can finish the final decorating. That's good. My blinds are on the way, which is exciting. And then I'm just going to have a candle in there. Because it's not very big, but I just want a little something. Oh, the mantle, the beams arrived. So in here and in the dining room, I'm having wooden, just a minimalist floating beam. So that's going to be on here, just a wooden one. So we'll put them up when the plaster's on and dried and painted. That's exciting. And then let's go upstairs. This is being plastered as well. When my dad was doing something here a good few weeks ago, and all of the plaster fell off the wall. Oh, it's exciting! Got the plaster on, and it's ready to be painted. No toilet. New toilet is in, which is very exciting. Then the sink unit is going here, and then the towel radiator is going on this wall. This wall and this wall are just going to be painted white, and then all of these walls are going to be tiled. So it's almost time for me to step up to the plate. So a sneaky peeky, this is how big the shower tray is. Oh, this is the sink. So this is how big it is. Yesterday I spent all day in here. I was just locked away in here. Oh my God, it's very echoey, isn't it? So I've put another layer on the wall. I've also painted above because that wasn't painted before, and I've done the gloss on all of the woodwork, so it actually looks way better, doesn't it? All of the picture rails have been done. This has had one coat on it. So this, I'm going to have my cycling kit on here, and we're just going to build up and have a couple of shelves up here. But everything's white and bright in here. That needs to be covered. There was an air vent there, so that just needs to be covered, and then I can paint that. But I think it looks way better now, so I just need to do one more coat on the skirting boards and the picture rail. We're sort of coming to the end of the builders and the plumbers being here, so we're sort of getting to the point where it's actually going to be more decorating than building stuff. So that's pretty much it for this week's updates. I hope that you've enjoyed this. Thanks for all the lovely comments as usual, and I'll see you in a week for another week of updates.